Hey guys, I'm Uncle Yoda's, and guess what came in the mail? This is the Tonor Q9 Condenser Microphone. The Q9 is a relatively cheap budget microphone that is plug and play. And I want to be honest with you guys, I did not pay for this microphone with my own money. Tonor reached out to me and offered this microphone to me for free. But this unboxing and review are my own opinions, and no one is paying me to say anything. These are my opinions. So let's just jump in. Well, that's a bubble up. And here is the box. The box looks pretty cool, I guess. It just says Tonor on it. So let's see what it's got. So you open it up and you immediately see everything. So this is like a big combo that comes with everything you could ever need. Here's a windscreen. It seems pretty fine. Yeah, nothing to say about that. Here's a shock mount, which is pretty interesting, considering this is only a $50 microphone. Here's a mount to attach it on your table. Here's like a windscreen, but it got super folded up, so that's kind of unfortunate. There you go. Here's a 6-foot USB 2 cable for the microphone. Nothing to say. It's USB 2. There's some strange port. I don't really know what that is. There's also a user manual that tells you everything. English and German, I think that is. I couldn't really tell you. It's definitely not English, but oh well. Here's a boom arm that comes with it. I have one with my old microphone, and this seems to be about the same thing. It's pretty decent for what it seems like. And here's the microphone itself. It's pretty heavy, actually. So it's a nice cylinder that has a up and down button, which I believe is a mute. So that's interesting. So you get all of this for only $55 about. So this seems like a pretty good deal already. But like, let's try it out and see what happens. So the crank goes like that. I believe the screw fits right there. This seems kind of flimsy. The microphone into the shock mount. Slide it in, maybe. That's a very tight fit. There it is. The boom to the microphone. Maybe we should have attached the mount to the boom before putting the mic in. Here it goes. Then tighten it up. There you basically have it. Let's turn it on and attach it. Connect it to my computer. Yes, it's about 6 feet of USB. There we go. We attached it, and now you can see that there's a blue light that's on, which signifies that it's on. You have to tighten this down. So yeah, there it is. I gotta tighten this also. Gotta tighten everything. Okay, 20 minutes of screwing the tripod. I don't really know if I have it set up right. Okay, that seems fine. So we got the microphone here. So let's pull up Audacity. My computer automatically recognizes it. So let's try it out. Hello, and this is a microphone test with no settings changed, no pop filter on, and let's see how it sounds. Okay, I think that sounds not bad. So we also have a windscreen. Let's try the windscreen on real quick. Okay. Hello, and this is another microphone test with the Q9 microphone with the windscreen this time. Okay, let's see how that sounds. So that one, it's about the same. So let's try what are we calling this? The pop filter this time. Okay, we got it attached. Hey guys, this is another microphone test with the Q9 microphone. how does it sound? Let's find out. Okay, so I don't really have anything to compare this microphone to, really, but I think it sounds pretty good. For $50, you're getting all of this. So it seems like a pretty good choice if you looking to start a podcast or a YouTube channel. I feel like this would be a good setup that you can have for only $55. So it seems like a pretty easy recommendation. But let's see more about this. So the microphone itself, it feels nice. It looks nice. I have nothing to really complain. On it, there's a plus and minus button, which I believe if you hold down one of them, it mutes the microphone and the light turns off so you can tell if it's on and off. Pressing it again, it turns it on. And I believe the plus and minus button, press it once to go down, press it again to go down again. Or you can bring it up loud and even more loud if you want that. For some reason, it's not really staying put, but like other than that, it seems like a dandy microphone, you know? You get a pop filter and this windscreen with the whole combo. The boom arm seems pretty solid. Nothing to really complain about there. And this seems like a pretty good microphone to have. Listening to the audio a little bit, I think it sounds pretty good. I think I said that, but I'm pretty surprised with the quality of this. It feels well built. So yeah, that's the Tonor Q9 microphone. I'd recommend it if you have $50 and need a whole microphone set up with a boom arm and a pop filter and the microphone. You just plug it into your computer and it works automatically. I have nothing to really complain about it. Okay, let's see how it is when we equalize it and remove the background sound. I'm very curious of how crisp it sounds, which you guys will be hearing that right now, but I'll quickly edit it and see how good it sounds. It sounded pretty good, so I think if you spend more than 10 seconds playing with the audio, you could get really nice sounding audio from this microphone. So I'd say go out and buy this microphone. Like I said, Tonor sent me this microphone free of charge, but if I was looking for a microphone, I would totally buy this. Like, it's definitely worth $55. Okay, we're having a little technical issues. I think it's because of the tablecloth, but that's the video. So thank you, Tonor, for sending this microphone out. I'd recommend anyone to buy this. And, you know, thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content like this. And tell me what other things you'd like me to review. Thanks.